are here. We are at UKUNDA Airport. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another interesting video. You guys, we are in Diani right now, but the sun here is too much. It's really dealing with my children. Look at how they are looking. So you guys, I actually heard that Diani is very hot, but I don't know what I was thinking, and I forgot my sunscreen. Like, hey, I don't know, I really don't know how it's going to be for me for the next 3 days, because this sun is hot. So yeah, we are heading to our resort right now. How beautiful this place is. Hey, the sun is way too much. We are just arriving and look at how I'm looking already. Valerie, we'll all turn black before we leave this place. So thank you.
For this one,
Yeah?
I'd like to assist you.
Okay, thank you. You guys, this is where we'll be spending the next 3 days at. 4-7 guys. Oranges. Hi. Oh, where is it? You guys, this place is beautiful. Let me show you guys around.
I'm not gonna let you go. Yeah, yeah. Check it. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I need you now. I find you, I give you all you needed. I know what you like. I know you. I'm feeling coming. Time is of the essence. I try to teach you, but I might need some lessons. But I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're gone. Oh, baby.
Beautiful.
You don't need no other body. No, you don't. You don't need no other body.
So you've been booked on bed and breakfast, yeah? You'll have your breakfast at the main restaurant over there from 7 to 10 in the morning. And dinner we serve it at the same place from 7 to 10.
It's beautiful.
You're coming.
Zozo, see my room.
Mommy,
Hmm?
the cartoon.
The TV, not cartoon.
This is a new
Hey, God.
cartoon.
Zoe, are you okay? Oh, you're here.
Thank you.
Father, you're such a good girl. Such a cutie. Let's make an aeroplane. When I'm done feeding Zoe,
So then,
I'll do like a proper tour so you get fancy around the room.
I'm gonna cut it.
What to call them? Right. No, don't call. We don't need anything yet, okay? So guys, this is the entrance, and here is the wardrobe. It has like a big mirror covering it. So yeah, this is the shelf where we have our electric kettle, our refrigerator, and I've already kept our plates, my baby's plates, and milk. So this is like an artwork on the wall, very beautiful artwork. And here is like a different space. I don't know what it's meant for. The TV. So this is our scattered bed. We've already scattered our bed, yeah. So just please ignore the scattered bed. And this is like a sitting area. Maybe I should call it like a lounge. Yeah, so where we can sit and eat. And yeah, it's just a very portable room and it's beautiful. I love the color of the throw pillows and the shawl. Like, I love everything about the room. It's just very simple and nice. So this is why I kept our shoes down there. So yeah, that's just basically it for the room. And this is the toilet. So yeah, just a very portable one room where we're gonna spend the next 3 days. Okay, I was feeling very hot, so I had to remove my wig. So this is the outfit for today. Look at it. Look at the full outfit on this side. Okay. Let me show you very well. Can you see? See our beautiful view. This is our beautiful view. That's the swimming pool, guys. Valerie, come and see swimming pool. Come and see.
the beach.
Yeah, the beach is over there.
Oh my God.
Can you see the beach? Yeah, we'll go to the beach. And here is the swimming pool. Do you want to swim?
Yeah.
So we should go and swim now. Let's rest. You have to take your lunch, then go, okay? This is very fine. This is like a sit out outside the room. Wow.
Yeah.
It's the view for me, guys. It's the view. Oh my God, I feel like I'm in paradise. Oh, this is so cute.
Wait.
Guys, the weather is way too hot.
Give me love, make a love. Shawty want $1 million. It's in make a higher. It's on me to undercover. My girl, yeah. She tell me that
I just had my shower now and I'm going to. So as the weather is, you need to go and chill off. You're scared of the monkey. Why are you scared of the monkey, Val? How are you? I'm very well. So you guys, we are at the pool side. So this is the swimming pool, and here is like a children play area. That's one thing I love about this place. And this is the beach side. The white sand, it is for me. Everything about this place is so nice. The environment, like I feel like I'm in paradise. Like what? This place is so fine. The weather, the wind, everything, the white sand. It's really a place. It's really a place to chill off, you know. Oh, one top. Look for an umbrella and just chill. Chloe, smile, Wano. Hi, how are you? Are you having fun? You like the white sand? Yeah? So, Val girl. Hey, Bana. Okay. That's where they will see you first. Play, baby. Look at her. Look at her. Go. Go and play. Go and play. Can you play it alone? Okay, let's try. Give it to me. Let me help you. All right. See. Photo. Baby girl. Baby girl. You feel like coming down from there, right? Zoe, you want to calm down? Yeah. Yeah. I think she wants to play with you. But do you love this place? Are you enjoying it? Are you sure? Hmm? Yes.
Girl, I got a question to ask you today. Yeah. Will you marry me even though I just met you today? She tell me, say, is you jaja, take it slow. Yeah. Say, if you can love me now, don't love me later when I'm making my paper show. Yeah. I tell her, say, wait, you must become my lady. But you say if I no get money, make I hide my face. So I hide my face. But now they call me, but they don't lie with the money. Yeah, Jim Mike with the love. I just know motor with the sauce, baby. Yeah, girl, you know.
You guys, it's dinner time. I'm very tired. He spent some time at the pool, and now we are here to have our dinner. So yeah. What's that? Gizzard. Beans and.
What's this? Is that? Okay, bacon.
Bacon.
So which do you prefer? Is it different? Is it different menu? Different.
Couscous. This is what I'm having for dinner. My love for chapatis these days, I don't even understand it. I know this is heavy for dinner, but guys, I'm really hungry. I've not had something since I left Nairobi, so allow me. Yeah, so I'm gonna have chapati and steak. Val, say hi.
Hi.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. So this is the next day. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. I see monkeys everywhere. I forgot to end the vlog immediately after the dinner. I just came back and everybody knocked off. Like I slept off immediately. I literally knocked off. I didn't even notice when the kids slept. Today is Saturday. It's next morning and it's raining. So maybe after the rain, we just go to some places. I don't know what we're doing today. We might do like a boat ride or something else, but either way I'll always carry you guys along. So this is me signing out for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please, if you're watching this video up to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.